be a subscriber of Emma Marie's World, you have to have lots of friends. Just kidding. You have to have lots of friends. Beesh. Me, kick, me. You're going other way. Are we recording? Can we just wait? Me, kick, me, kick, me, kick. Why are we recording? Welcome back with another YouTube video. I'm Emma.
Naya. Elizabeth.
And today we are going to be doing the Minute to Win It challenge. Cheer edition.
Can't even see you.
So let's begin. So Naya's up first. The first challenge is how many cartwheels you can do in a minute. Ready, set, go.
Ready? Hold on, focusing. Zoom in. When are we counting?
Oh, she is.
Restart.
Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
What was that?
11, 12, 13.
Go! I can't see. Okay, well that was Naya.
She got 13.
Yeah. Oh. Anyways, so we decided that if you don't make it the whole minute, then you automatically lose. But she got
0.
But and then if like someone else, she got it, she only did 28 seconds. I couldn't see.
So if, how was it, Naya?
Cut me off. Okay, ready? I'm going.
Okay, Naya.
Go. I'm dizzy already. I know. See? 12, 13, 14, 15. I did way more than 13. I'm so dizzy. I did way more than 13.
We did.
I did it in like a little circle.
Oh.
I'm about to pass out. I forgot how to do a cartwheel. I forgot what count. I'm done. She automatically loses. She lost 15 seconds. Wait. I already beat you though. But you still lost. Now let's see if Emma quits before I do. Ready? Go. Whoa, I'm busy. Exactly.
Oh my god, I can't see. The whole world's spinning.
You see? 17, 18. What's she at? 21. Dang, she's gonna beat me. You done?
Yeah.
What's she at? I beat her by 5 seconds. Well, I won. Who can help with the handstand? Emma got second, and Naya got third. Who could hold a handstand longest or walk the farthest?
Ready?
Okay. I suck at handstands. About to get like 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Are you okay? Your butt's in my face. Are you okay? No. Are you okay? I hit him with my knees. I won. Oh my god. Naya won. We have to watch that again. Ready? You do this. Set, go. I already lost.
Wait, you said handstand. No, I really lost.
Man. How do you do this? No, I went forward. Oh, that was Emma.
Next challenge is how many hivel swips you can do on the white trampoline. So do you have to take your shoes off?
1, 2, 3,
3. Stay tight. 4. 4. Congratulations.
It's hard. I hate jumping behind the 6 foot and break it.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, woo! 21.
21.
Okay, the next thing is we are going to climb the rock and see who can climb the highest. So let's go.
Okay, ready? Go. No, your legs have to stay out like a gymnast.
Oh no, we can't do that. It has to be
Squeeze!
I wish I was strong enough.
Just like a power jump. Step back.
Go, 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 go. Okay, that's part of
5.
Seriously?
Don't slide down.
1, 2. Yes, that's 1. What do I do?
I think it's like climb down.
You move your legs and then scoot your body down.
And farther away. You wouldn't have to put some.
Okay, Elizabeth's turn.
We're only gonna make it like right here. Like literally.
You actually
Put that
have
here.
Can I do this one? Like the middle?
That's what was. Because I was like, oh.
How far did you climb?
I don't know.
My feet are sweaty.
She climbed up to like.
Oh my god.
They either tied or Emma went a little higher.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Okay, wait.
My hands smell like feet now. Emma, smell your hands.
Knees up to your chest.
I know, I can't.
Now you gotta do it without your legs.
I came in like a rat.
I came in now.
So if you enjoyed today's video, please like, share, and subscribe. And this was a fun video to make. But yeah, hope you enjoyed today's video. And
And it's just
bye.
like we all smiling
Bye.
everywhere.
Peace!